Headlights keep chewing up the white line over the spherical world, and though you're going where you ain't been, oh well, you're one in a million, in the millions in the streets, in the down bars and sneaky beat. But there's something calling in the fishnets, a thick lip, the bright lights of night, boy. You're gonna have to fight, or you're fighting for a woman. I don't know if daddy's right, 'cause if she don't come like fruit from the tree, she ain't the one for you, sure ain't the one for me. You're just a slight boy, your skin and bone, but they'll tear you apart. They won't leave you alone, and she won't come in your hour of need. Oh, she won't come, oh yeah. You're begging please to go home, boy. You're safer in bed, or leave it to the ones who know best, 'cause it's a tightrope and we walk it alone. Oh, so go home, boy, you'll be happier at home. And when the night comes, oh, you're glowing like a bright spark. Come on, drummer boy, and play the drums. We're beating out a double mark, 'cause we're beating the bound and traveling through the wasteland, jolting through the lost and the found, searching for the promised land. But tonight, boy, you're gonna fight, or you're fighting for a woman. Don't know if daddy's right, 'cause if she don't come like fruit from the tree, she ain't the one for you, sure ain't the one for me. You're just a slight boy, your skin and bone, but they'll tear you apart. They won't leave you alone, and she won't come in your hour of need. Oh, she won't come, oh yeah. You're begging please to go home, boy. You're safer in bed, you gotta leave it to the ones who know best, 'cause it's a tightrope and we walk it alone. Oh, so go home, boy, you'll be happier at home. Do you wanna be a dime or a bum? Well, it takes one to know, and it's what you'll become. Where fear is a flashing gun, with the clothes you're wearing, the pennies you want. See the shakers in the old cafe. Ain't no need for city walls these days, so beat it, boy, and be on your way. Ain't no need for human kindness these days. Oh, you find out you're all alone, and just like some Don Quixote, and all your dreams have come to nothing. So go home, tend your fire, listen to the words I say, jolting through the mud and the mire. You'll be a big man someday, but tonight, boy, you're gonna have to fight, or you're fighting for a woman. I don't know if that is right, 'cause if she don't come like fruit from the tree, she ain't the one for you, sure ain't the one for me. You're just a slight boy, your skin and bone, they'll tear you apart. They won't leave you alone, and she won't come in your hour of need. She won't come, though, yeah. You beg and plead to go home, boy. You're safer in bed, but leave it to the ones who know best, 'cause it's a tightrope and we walk it alone. So go home, boy, you'll be happier at home.